back to the last bit of our show. Exactly 9:25. Now, if you that was I'm also my part of it. But the other I'm just joining the conversation. Brow frame on 0302 211 for maybe who are doing tribute bit to my boy in the fight against illegal mining because they say the baby I don't know agency man you know, so be part of the solution now. Own it, just own it like one castle project. Adiebiano uomubia. So what I say, so that you fight it the way you fight. Say how would you love this thing to be fought? Because if we don't fight that challenge of illegal mining, that's where the challenge is. So Mesro, also for Adrian brain on 0302 211 701 equity 4 0302 211 701 equity 4. Whilst I welcome Agbosini Chu, a part of the communications team for the ruling National Democratic Congress. Ewan say Agbosia Kwaba, but you know what to say. Oh, Nyamiado. Mesa ba so ba ma me sami ni nkomo wi sami ma cha fom to say. Okay, Sammy, so straight to the point.
What is the point? My main comment, Samuso. My main threat to be so. Let me cheer on Nabubra Campon. Send where declare say Oko. Now, Sati said where declare, or my maintain say campaign, or campaign, there's no, the chair also be system. My main comment, Samuso. I get guarantee Yasema and the Yakin. And never may say it's a 12 for more Ghana. We are no powerful. Ubeniache, papa. Now, the Danko Kufado, meaning TV stations, meaning radio stations are airport on Nadwachi. And yes, Uncle Fuina, but after the 200,000, they come 7 for free. Then I would watch it for 30,000 grams, so don't pay you prescription. Chanko Fuina, Kawan, and I net quality TV station and radio station. Muka guarantee one. Yanko Pombecha, which is one of the champion to be president here. And you make you the more piano over my day.
Okay, so me that's Benjamin. Good morning. I'm saying.
Yamiadum on my now, sorry.
Oh, Yamiadum be able to call.
You on my Yamia can say, Galamsey, I can watch him be. And our limbs there for Cynthia, but they say, a high question for someone to one among every It's a say idea, and who you pa in California, from so much on boy, every pa.
Okay, so Yanko Enche na era dankwa kwaku. Yene drink komo. Kwaku machi na Enche bokodi e.
But Yamiado mahaboko.
Ensio to ho.
Oh, ya said ye be one week in the answer after Pokakra.
Okay, kwaku.
Yes.
Yeah, that's it. Inti Enche so more problem ni bi o.
Enche dia buso.
Huh?
Na mamema o ade ba ko. Ni aka se me free isase bontefu. Manso isase bontefu. Na might be ba ha na e bonte gold mine. Ya na ya blofo na eye se aduma. Na ya ha de ekwa no mu fa so eye mines no. Mo mutu so first man se de na omude excavator ya aduma ya. Na that is omu ya aduma na omu ko no. Mo fele ko. No mu dua nua. Ekra bi kwa no mu dua banki. Eme dubre mi etbi tu banki bi e dey edi. Be na ye hwe. Omu ya aduma ba kwa na ye gensuo amana ne niamaniama no. Enti sanka aduma ne de me hu se aban na makwa kwa no mu ya e dia ti seye e no mu ye etuma fele ya mana ne nsuo no. Ama daake. Aba fa so papa amaye. Bedamasi.
Okay, so ya das ye be kwa kogina manso. Na ene kwaku adin ko kwaku manso boko de. Hello kwaku manso boko de.
Nyamiado mama ina ba tonso.
Oh nyamiado boko yeti o.
Yo. Omai ayana yetenchen na mo ka garanti asem na ho. Ayana asif se de mo ka no edu area ye hunu se ntiate na eni. Ni nyana na se omai small scale no mo ka se registration. Ene de mo ka garanti no difference bi ani mo.
Oh small scale no. Any day can say galamsey no.
Difference bi ani.
Okay, try mu kakra.
Difference any mu say adwuma no yina the same thing ye no by the difference amu hu wom say small scale no ya register. And I galamsey ya register difference wo mu no.
Na se kunu be di o. Eti the register no edi semone. And the register should edi semone. Is that the case?
The same thing, the same process in any faso. I the same process in any faso. You also register small scale. No, said you warrior no. Yani I was a guarantee. The same thing as the difference be any.
So once I will be needed. Quite by now at this point. Because it means so sa. You challenge ye me no pe. Ye tunu insuo so na ye tunu wo ye kwaye mu no. E honko na ama haw na ba. At this point, wa mu ache. Dia na obeka.
O mai ni nyina na se o Ghana ha no. Empanyumfo no me meka na se e sika no mu nyina obi e sika di. Omunye o ma dwe so mbeboa na ya sia no. Enzio so no ye ka si sia no aye simple. Enzio so ni pa no mane nkotena ye wo mo ye enzio so adwuma ho. Ye be make sure say ye mma wo bia nkotena enzio no so. En ye nya ye ban enzio no so ye betumi atwa mana fa enzio no kura enko enzio nim. Nti say ya me di pa na nkotena enzio no so ye nyina ye hu enzio no ye say no. Ba ye mma mo nkotena enzio no so no nkotena so. Ena enzio na no so ye betumi abroku enzio ne ban a ye nya enko enzio nim. Enko te enzio no. Yensuo na ye twen adwuma but ye betumi afa means bia ya yemma ye to no ensan konsuo nim.
Okay all right so me da sepa minim de Andrews beka chemene Andrews won kran mache enkran miamia bi won so YouTube ho ana. Hello Andrews, meet you.
Yeah. Am I in?
Yes sir.
Any day more galamse adwuma ya ye kan. The one license test and the license test. I am this start there. Keep for the license name.
Okay.
And I pay for ya. You pay for the license name. You carry a binder than a tree, Monim Resua, one more she is credited. Well, this would draw send by a momoy, and send the one more Yaman in Yawa. Shaka Sanga, or many breaks a no. The year United Yushim, a Buana, and gave the end with the agree. Almost to me, said that a human is one more year. It's no one can talk no more shady. No one can almost say shady. Excavator did do a bit of report. Upper side. Corona was no crown. Excuse me to say, you're paying for more signs for the crown. They are also part of it. What the woman can tell him, he be our breast, my yet Galamso, the best of the year. If you ever blame them, I am paying for. I am for count. Politicians, the top hierarchy politicians account. How can you name Yana?
Okay, so but that's say obeying what is saying. Hello, obeying. It is saying.
Adom Pajama on sway.
Oh, Yamadum Boko. Yet you obeying.
Adom wine. But yeah, mine. When I was cinema here with you. I can't make any say.
Oh, obeying. So you're the friend you chat to.
You.
Oh, obeying. Sorry, obeying. Okay, so obeying. Next time you be on one to one what you so bet me so sorry. So intimate on winning come. So yeah, 2 p.m. now for we come 2 p.m. Marching up to 2 p.m.
Oh, my Ebenezer, the Rade or the Abidru at Santa Mampo, and Amanis and also walk for my.
Oh, Yamadum, BBI Boko.
Yame, oh, shall I? Can it be better so I or mine?
Ah,
oh, my Abro and this. Catch a Mahamasa appointment today, contract, don't tell me, near Casa,
2 p.m.
Minia, Mammy can't share KM Mayo, Honorable Zuba, on the day, me papa Bacope. Oh, my mestre, Galamse issue, I Minia, Aquasi, a question, Semia, wash. Oh, my share, ya him for phone be so calm, oh, my. Who say, Mampon, ye issue hereby. That's a prayer was able to Yaman Fanny Crency. Or solid trans, and Mamma Galamse. I was Santa Mampohano. I am Mabuno, yes, Tiano, or my baby also.
Debbie.
Baby, I'm also by baby no or Hinna Mo, ni fear any more cry to Galamse. A bad day, Galamse. my, it's a bit of mesre. Say a person, brother, I'm saying, ya besre, ya, hene. O 2 4. Say, and one year him for 4 non casa, or more year been a grand woman and 2 or so to me, yes, I am mana, or my, it's a young soon, it's a rosary and Yatakara. In Zubi, I made him with any Yatakara. But I do a bit on Becca Gumuno, now I yet to say Tino. You may mesre, say, I am for 4 of Casa, or mine. May I so say, I come 2 p.m. making so 2 p.m. say now confirm. So
2 p.m. Hello, 2 p.m. Namia Duma China a Joada Via Branham found Jubilee House, Medo called PWD. Why?
Me pacho Mateo Mahene. Let's say one appointment no.
Completely maybe mama appointment.
By Obiante.
Obiante say me koji green paper answer.
Me pacho Mat. O ma se 2 p.m. mabre. Mabre. My brother. O ma ya me shira what?
Okay. Yeah ma asiedu ni yenwie wa no say asiedu the story be a quiet a worrying bre. Asiedu ma chia pop say. Honorable Siedu, tell us who you are first. Oh yeah.
Me pacho Honorable Siedu, we name Michael Siedu Nkwa. Conference organizer my baby any annual so be kwai. Conference NDC. And na me gina so am say mechia ma bo mabaso. Multimedia nyina because Joy News e dey hu so mo sha ase pa na Adom TV so mo so mo techiri. Na you got John Dramani Mahama when this was doing more my Ghana. The Helen took to your ya. And I'm really proud to say me here in DC. Nemum, assembly or higher Nekan. Here before Yama Nekana Yedin. Banka instead of heading. Yedin to your passe illegal mining yenyai. On my answer about Western North. Was there any apartment west in the bush here? Dias, the name of the bush here. Dias, it be a cost to be just a walking distance. Now the big boy apartment west. Young Casamani, and I'm a dear Kuhun. Yes, a dear. Busrimuka, and I say, Metin or Joy News. Memetrian, me a family, Casama Coho. O my so betting me a dear so crunim. Akoba the Omoye illegal mine in a west cavated Bay 50. Our horse is here. This is one antifa bush, no alcohol, because Timoto Swa. You walk 4 armed dress for a chance of national security operatives. Mine and now also a 1 PP time. And this is by ye. Cecia may no Casa is here. Sanga may mean your bosom can't cast some Cassie. Oh, I caught Joy News, the Koyano, may the Manico hair say our Chinabi. May can be an army coming and penny food be at here on Betty. You say a national officers in India will be at it. Oh, because me nimni pakwa o yes adwuma was started there 8 months ni. Why ya fisia ampo de wode more excavators asan koka ho. Illegal. Nya se bia nipa no e bi o process na e bia minim ma di asem na chi kakra mpo mama hu se dunkwa court kwade embagu ato mo so se mo nsi site wo biom. Dunkwa obisa police command wo dunkwa no fe omo ba ho last 2 weeks some be stop omo moment mi anwura site ho just 2 kilometers away from the district capital Diasu adwuma na ekoso it me frɛ say me eyewitness empanifo to omo na nsi form ana say Ewura John Dramani Mahama otia illegal mining bi koso ase saa nyema we nyina yetimi tu ase ebe ma oman no kra nya sika am ye de akyekyere oman Ghana na enkoba se obi benya protection ni asesa mpanifu ana se soldiers ne security men dia kogu ho na ntimi ntwam se wokwakoye adwuma no edu ba bia wo ka sem se police officers come to me threat o mo se obi nim no there a o mbe shoot na kono etu obi asuro so obeka wow but se akyekyere oman a e wo se wo si obo na wo ka ne ma di organizer na che e ka no kwa ka ndisi atena power che ba ne marketing kiti bi say no e be kwa atia yen eti kakra me de America we am fa mo ni akiri
okay so Robert said with that CP Keda Agbochi Nuchu ma membusa sana na enestada den so akwaba bibia iboko de Adom good or Kani Patriotic Party communications team no and as in party iboko de
oh bibia akoye
good member bibia akoye Keda Now, what is happening? Or see, we are more core party person. Ehano. Dear so. For the past 8-7 months, excavators the kwa na kwa imono, and they are even threatening the police. I would dear so. Illegal mining.
Mining. That's na. Bibi abako de.
Kakra.
Oh, you say chief for mo. For joy.
On the name of court.
And that for mo. Oh, 24 hours living no.
Good. 24 hours a day.
And been for joy though.
Ade.
Na so ha no kokos so.
Na say 24 hours they carry. Now how normal working. Normal working.
We are talking about productivity. Wo ha na wo sa kokos. Wo say what name? Na Utina fako. Uti fako na ubod draft. Na ubod
draft. Na kwa abattoir na.
Abattoir. Ese me join for. Misumi free na me share abattoir. You told me this one because you watch it. Can me ton. No be enu. E tie for mining. O mining, you see the impunity and intolerance and indiscipline e work room hanu. Mark here, I will say upper 100%.
Upper 100.
Oh yes, upper 100%. I buy me buy.
Wow.
Omu yebi. Misuma bamba, misuma yebi. Mining, you see, when it comes to illegal mining, me the blame the money pay me no pay. Mineral Commission and that of the police service. Omni no pay. I buy. I John the money mama is excellent na buy. Wama license.
So far, they
human license. So whoever get he or self involved in that activity, no,
illegal.
So what is the police waiting for? Ye pekasa. Oh, too much. Me see, I buy, no. One man license. In the past, at a go, let me more than 2,000 licenses at a go. Me wanna. Saban asidai nyami de wako. He said it was a dream. But if this government of today are license, now obi minia, it's illegal. So what is the police waiting for?
And it easy how?
They be we are saying easy. Ye choka. Now you see the boys around. Oh, me pay juma. Umusanke juma no pay. Yes. Why is it not easy? Now who wanna join in a patrol? Now anybody who commit crime arrest answer. Now become forest we not quite illegal. They don't say easy. Na enye je 18 e kwa
the Minerals Commission for eka opposite for
Mineral Commission as we speak, they have not issued any license to anybody to go and do any mining, either small or whatever.
In any forest.
On
any river body.
Thank you. But still, such activities is ongoing. And I police from where they. But you see, that is I'm not going to chase a police for Mudi. You are supposed to protect the state. That is what you are being paid for.
But when you are handicapped and when you are
handicapped in which way?
And when you are compromised sometimes.
No. What they know them compromise. On look just a troll dismissal letter. And just a type it, just a troll. Who type it with energy? Papa natural. You are dismissed. Compromise. Is that what you are employed to do? And you are being paid for? I say the catcher say the indiscipline, it falls within the circles of our economy. Inclusive. What I say, Oba Besia, a lady, took it upon herself to fight that battle. Now police fought you already. We are on national TV, there's no need to use any word. This mining being legal, must come to an end within a period of time in our country. If only we are willing to do it.
How do we arrive at that?
But we can listen. Your municipal district executives, yes, sir. What are their responsibilities in their various environments?
To ensure that sanity members are areas where
that's They should be fired.
And easy, sir.
You see, when you say it's not easy, generally, we chase him, and that one, and that one. It's not easy just to put your hand in the bowl, lift the food to your mouth, and it's easy. It's easy, but if you are determined,
we need to get the solution.
If you are determined, you will get there. Life is about determination. Nothing is easy for anybody. But with determination, same applies to Donald Trump. With determination, remember, I've not ended my term. I'm determined to end it. And true to their words, they are back again. Nothing is easy in this world. We can do it if only we want to get it done. Oh, you know what can compromise? What does here? Obi catch yourself, Wuti or Kase baby. We are by a one or two over Jai. But I didn't know.
I was shocked.
It is all about your attitude. Say you may easy. It is easy.
And easy free.
Look, Michia Sami Jefi, Chief Executive of Good Board. I heard him yesterday or a day before. I want to say yes. NDC is alive. Sami Sidien. What's your China for now? Omo amuton gold illegal or transact gold illegally no. On one a friend saying, on patriot you call Kumu. Onu be do pe. Say someone obeko, say crash obeko. Onu be do pe.
Onu be dia fa.
Debi. Plane be any home. Keteke no home. There's no plane for you. It's keteke. So when we do certain things here, when we punish those people here, those coming will be warned. Yes, sir. Who can say excavator? Everybody, those things me. I again greet the chief executive of DVLA. It's been fantastic job. Who did buy na ye bisa baby who ko? Mr. Track and your man impect their technology.
Unbelievable.
Me believe in them.
But the
point is that excavator would you call him?
The tracking system.
No tracking is technology. I don't want to believe that technology. Police were quite so. Police who trick who lets us, who train, who will show. Sometimes all they stop because who didn't let us. So we pay me home trip. Yeah. But who did stop it? Now you did excavate a trim, they wouldn't be illegal. Don't you have the dagger to communicate with your people?
Who shall us make construction?
You see, they must be an escort. Let us do it that way. They must be an escort. The boys are looking for a job. And this comes back to the 24-hour economy issue we are going to talk about. They must be an escort. Okay, construction. I want here. Okay, let's go. Almost so easy.
But do you believe that
no.
We can be deliberate about this?
No.
What was your MPP chairman, NDC chairman? Or no, not buying the also. No. Look at how we are.
Omani, respectfully, no. And Shemi Bufu.
What that was.
And Shemi Bufu. NDC chairman. My foot. Who are NDC chairman? No more bread. Now party about power. Now the good party minimasi. Who did he? We should stop this. The mediocrity is becoming unbecoming. And then, who we are chairman of a constituency, what bread our party about power? Now about a good party minimasi. Well, the leadership is there. The decision belongs to them. So all that we tell for, what is the purpose? What's the use? Why? If MPP have done it, that is why they were kicked out. Let's prove to Ghanaians and say, and this are. Let's protect environment. Let's protect society. Wherever you find yourself, you are an ambassador to the president.
But the reality is different from what.
Yes, that's why I use the word. I don't want to use it again. It's an embarrassment. Such a character is a disgrace to the party. There are other ways of making mining. according to the guidelines of gold board.
Obedi the
Kama. He should know better. And I want the police and the security service to go after such a character.
It's impossible.
It is possible.
Because it's an NDC.
It is not about NDC. That is not what NDC stood for. I'm a Keda. We stood for probity and accountability. If I want him not to do the wrong thing, I must do the right thing. What does he? Now we are constituency executive or whatever regional executive, then you want to involve in illegal mining. Let the law take its course. That is not what the party I belongs to. Yeah, to you might be too much. What does he? What does he? I just say yeah, dear fata. Now, on my young boy abaso. I guess I say this illegal thing. Make home. I don't know why. Give this job to Jackpa Richard.
The Jackpa.
Jackpa, director for special operation. Give this job to him.
Obeye.
If it's men, let's give him a period. If they are 6 months, ensure the outcome. The pekasa do. The pekasa. This thing must end one way or the other.
Mr. Daddy.
All right.
Say party ni otiso. When you kukudro kase sebi. We are the party concerned chairman. We are one you did. And so we are the tini. The air almost team the 2 and a mompa. It's a good talk, but is that a reality?
Oh my child. Na my chairman answer na my chair for baby omobia. I can't say I can say, hey, can we walk the talk? Ehwana also be say, is it that easy? Omo opposition. So nim galamse hun conversation. Obi adina no tu. So nim the conversation that surrounded me by them ha. Them ha ya table ba akono ho. Say what's the sound table? Na me can say immediately after the election. And will be frame me say, Kwame Mumbeshe excavators moving into the western region. Me can them ha say, share you say excavators say move into western region. Kwansima any ete say minister Tuasu ewa Kempinski Hotel. Na me can say asemwa me ba dem ha beka ye no. Ene da ho. Say Nanka Ubia Okoto Aba on the 7th of December 2024 na adwene ni say Owura Akufo-Addo ene na ban mu mpanimfo ene ye galamsey wo kuruma
Je ba say and any western region kwayim.
They say posterity is always the best judge. Ana meboa say no ye ba ye what say ya chi obi a na oye MPP ni a oye galamsey. What be? This charade na ekosi wo Kumasi na ye want me say ye dey neba we ye bisan say ye galamsey na o say da bi me nkrata ni. Apart from enu ayete ho asem. Say okura nkrata onye galamsey nti kwadu na omo de ball MPP fo ene Owura Akufo-Addo ni na ban mu mpanimfo no.
Emu ha.
Emu ha mpo. Ya boagu. Omo ankasa aboagu.
On pese be di san komo.
Dia make an say. Oh my, dia make an say. Say amene wo ka say. Me ba ya. Me tie radio wo kan. Excavators no way.
Ayera.
Asem ni nie.
Excavators.
Hwe ye aban ye to aban wie ya we dia me nka tiefo nya ahwefo ya. Petuo kasa nkrofo bi wo bo ase. Arehosem nka emfa ha obi adwene anopai momfa nche me emfa to ho na medema wo mo atuo kasa wo mo no oman ekire asem ba ye no na omo ben hemfo na mo ya MPP fo
dabi
asem ni nie anche na ye se takwa o se dan atuo kasa mienu ye kohwe mu na omo ya hemfo asem ni nie video bi ba around me gidi say wahu a party chairman aso soja ni mene
wa mo na mane.
Ono party chairman nti na me nua ka asem no na me yam she me no me ka ye no o ka ye no me eye me de ti sa de ye wo de na nenso se wo kai nsem yi a ye ka ho asem yi a Party chairman kura soldier ni mene. Soldier ni kura trio AK-47. Omudia no kura nya AK-47. Kakraka bi. Meboa. Ne counterpart say kan ne ho. Kura trio.
But that soldier is not for purpose.
An armed civilian.
That soldier is not
an
for
armed
purpose.
civilian.
Every individual, because of party affiliation, never for soldier or uniform.
An armed civilian. Ekura soldier ni o say
Mr. Soldier is not fit for that purpose.
Trio. An armed civilian kura ne mene. Wonim de odi kire no. Party card.
Oh boy. It's not true.
But you watch them always here.
But it's not true.
Party chairman.
Now who you
and the boys.
Soldier
maybe but o ma Mainland ya be boy. Mainland.
Soldier ni Mainland. We soldier ni. Na ye Ghana card impo. Now the party card.
Or your party chairman. Or doubt it.
Well,
Obama digress.
No, I'm not doubting.
Emrantia started here process. Almost started here process. Almost we need power, not buying up power. A brantia Gina is the official name the name sabote so. Catch and say declare or I will kill you. Proceed in a hawk with you. Party card.
One case will kill you. Stop exaggerating. Stop exaggerating.
I'm the crew. I'm the crew.
I said we can process.
The point I'm trying to make is say. Say when who crime said the core viral Kesipa was Tamale. Mama digressing and coming person was Tamale. Emranti ako buffer stock for a warehouse and Sanyama. Approach for a good on Bebru 30. On Bebru 50. One police don't do a go. A branch about could there be a bottle white mood than a con and no catch a police in this chon I'm embarrassing. On my own videos, maybe. That's the point we are making. So Galam say, share ensure na yes ya teche na near bo ura Akufo-Addo ni na buy and in impending force.
Nobody denies that.
That time, go and check all my videos. I'm one of the people who believe that Abaina Yebi. Abaina say Mabani or Masoja Foko excavators ya can one semunei. Ya chichi. In fact, when West came to the West, ye charge to mu. Unuane nimpending for at the year campaign to MPP for some washi excavator. Ye chere mu say excavator no ya chi ye ja no ho enkrofo sako. O mai anya no bi ne ewo mu yi. Anya bi ne ya ti hu yi. Ana bibi foforo. Se nsuo na na mu say aya ateche na ne de bo obi sobo no. Se awe bebrere because adani ateche no se a graduate cyanide ne baako no say mercury ne niama na mo say ekunkum say there in fact asase no aye poison.
In fact kwasisi akwa aboa me we dey say on Galam say cassava, kontomire, plantain, garden eggs and pepper harvested from Etiwa West in Eastern region contain high concentration of lead,
cyanide,
which is harmful
heavy metals
to human health. So on Galam say that's
Madam Fubi catch up in Romai. I mean, go on the lighter side. Or say, omo launch 24-hour economy. What what something 24, that 24.
Galamsey
But one was conspicuously missing, and that was Galamsey 24. Because His Excellency John Dramani Mahama himself has said that fighting fight like he agrees that His Excellency the President agrees with you. That is difficult. It will let people get out of jobs.
When did he say
that? About say,
stop these things.
He admits the challenge ahead.
But that's what I said.
It's different.
But
it's different.
What he referenced it to employment. One kind of time, campaigning time.
That is another major source of employment. Yes.
Campaigning that difference we were. Busumi means
The John Dramani Mahama you knew in opposition
in campaign
is not the John Dramani Mahama who is our president.
Okay, where are different one?
But it be biasa.
Okay. Nipa na asisa na ni kasa na asisa na ni niye na asisa.
Bia fan who bia no asisa.
So talk about this. I go painting no foforo. This I be the dada na minim ni yetuntum na obeye koko.
They implemented 24 and they implemented 24.
Oh my, I like you. I like you. But mami kancho, me nua kasa no. O kan sembi. Me so me ya kwala ketekete na me di me nua no mpanimfo achi no. Ne di yesi e kedes. Nti oti ho e keda. I once was.
You've been a kid before.
So the cadets have a certain principle which was espoused by His Excellency Jerry John Rawlings himself. And that is what endeared a lot of the youth then to him. Probity, accountability. And now they always leave the third one. Social justice.
Probity, accountability, and social justice.
Anytime cadets are speaking now, we always forget the social justice. Don't forget that. The Oti Galamsey site, Hona, who poison in you. He is supposed to be taken care of by a regime like the NDC one. Because the NDC did not go for the property owning democracy that the NPP went for. Because the NPP believed that empower the private sector to run the economy. They went for what? A social democracy.
That's a responsibility for all of us. Make sure we are catered for.
They have forgotten that part. And yet, we have always told them, show one as a social democrat. Show one social program you have supported your people with.
So now it's Mahama Care.
He has brought one.
And
on my mainland, on my Obama landi on Galamsey and Quebec. The chatwo, the ecosui. Yekochi excavators. Yekochi Mcrawford. Me say ye nim one more or more ye Galamsey. No, at least if for nothing at all, we saw those on TV and those whose videos had gone viral. What is say Yekochi Obi? I mean, yes, I mean, or can PMMC, ni refi say. Immediately the government took office. The government has revoked every license.
Yeah, which is very good.
He has revoked every license. But someone may be so when he say, "Oh my wonder Roma, ebi ana wo nim die wo ho chemi." Who your license now they are galamsey.
Baby.
Exactly. So the people doing the galamsey, whether you revoked it, he said government has not signed one license. That is even what has empowered them the more. The guy, His Excellency the President says he must work. And he must work. You didn't give him license to work. So he would do galamsey.
No.
Look, the people in the forest that the minister went to see, that he said he saw like how many thousands of people in the forest. He didn't invite the military 64 battalion, one free woman and free takradi. Mumra mbebwami. Ne yentu nkrofo isu sawa hani yentu omwase. Ofri Hobba Kempinski, buffet.
This is not true.
It is not true. The party, the meeting was held at Kempinski.
Didn't do deal with them.
But Ojira Hono, and I confront media say Mumra, and of military say Mumra, and of police say Mumra. And Kagalam say stop.
Okay, so
but he left there and came to Kempinski, already did fine. And started a school years.
A quick one on the Galamsey issue, very quick one. Mine, you see, the IGP, whom I have hope in, are all performing wonders. Most of his boys, I think it is time. So with a police officer in such enclaves, illegal mining in the forest, among others, water bodies. So with the and just with the more than 2 months. The mobile house, the man won't do 2 months.
Oh, they be every minute.
They gave until
so let's reshuffle the lands minister. Let's reshuffle.
It's not about the land minister is a policy from later. It's not about him. The implementer, okay, is the DCE, MCE, and the security apparatus.
You know, they just said the DCE.
Yes, one performance. Because no, at the end of the day, no, this nation.
24, Galamsey 24. No.
Okay, so
Abba, it is stable.
Areas I'm paying outline in Galamsey in County, so I don't remember.
No, Galamsey 24.
No. Don't encourage that.
But that is what is happening.
But don't encourage it.
Oh my, that is what is happening.
Let us deal with the Galamsey areas now. While outline mine.
So
the 24.
Oh my, how do you stop Galamsey?
Oh my, a quick one. Another than Kwaku His Excellency or by 2017, 18, 19. Who was the land minister? No, Peter no.
Peter.
Now when we say Galamsey no, na a man also. He was rather reclaiming. You born about so on your program.
Yes. Peter
he was reclaiming. What I say? But you need to honor. Hallelujah.
Okay, that one I don't know.
But how will you know? How will you know?
That's what I don't know.
How will you
it's
know?
a fight in
progress.
progress.
When did this thing start escalating?
You cannot skew it to a particular.
I am saying that there was an effort by Peter Amewu to reclaim the land. I agree.
There
is a new minister. So is he implicating the new minister?
Not this new minister.
No, are you implicating the current minister? You said the previous minister did something.
Listen attentively. I'm talking about 2019. 2019, I was not when you
I rocks.
I
clay.
So you come or the Asempa.
Never.
Never. 24-hour
Galamsey.
And I want to know check.
Sika. You try about just a minute. You buy a try and come with us.